Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to create cover for school project on Canva. So guys, search for Canva and cover and template. As you can see here, you find this template. Just click customize this template, guys, as you can see here. And as you can see here, guys, I want to choose this template. For example, guys, I want to choose this template here. And you can edit the here text, as you can see here, and you can change this font, as you can see, change this font, and you can change the color if you want to change the color, and you can edit it easily, and you can add some flower, as you can see here, guys, and you can add flower or anything you want to add, and you can change the style, and you can increase the font size, and you can add anything you want to do, add. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video for more content.